Here we go. Donuts! Stormtrooper! He went so far! He did big windmill! Hi kids, we're going to look for Hot Wheels monster trucks with this grader that could be 1 speed and 2 speed. I already turned it on, so we're already going to get started. It's dirt, kids. It's dirt. Donuts! We gotta watch out. There's some bug. Whoa! It's a spin. Look at this, kids. He has muddy tires. I love muddy tires. Ouch! Whoa, ouch! Oh, wait, what is that? I wonder what it is. Just look. Oh, no, you have to climb up this. All right, off. Wheelie! Why is it doing so much wheelies? I do not want that. Ooh, whoa, what is this? Kids, I wonder what we have. But this must be what you could buy with it, maybe. Let's see what we got. HOTWEILER. Glow in the dark? Wow, this is definitely cool. Like I don't know what these colors mean, but somehow it's glow in the dark. All right, we're going to take it. Oh, kids, I see a bonus over there. Let's run that after we put this away. Let's go get our bonus. Wow, we got to watch out for that bee so that we don't make him mad. Whoa. Oh, kids, this is a bonus so that we don't have to waste our battery, kids. All right, let's turn the remote off and this off so that we don't have to waste our battery. Let's get in our bonus. All right, first we have to find our next thing. So, kids, if you have this and you don't know how to play it, I'll teach you. So look at the steering wheel, kids. You have to charge this for 24 hours. Then next, hit this button to make it move. This is like so slow. We can't put this in reverse. I'm surprised. You cannot put this in reverse, kids. Here we go. Let's go. Oh, we have to chase that guy over there. Hurry, let's run for him. Ah, this is slow. Maybe he has a clue, maybe. Oh, look, here's a man over here. Hello? Do you know if there's a hidden monster truck around here? Yeah, it's one this way. Okay. Bye. Ah! Kids, we found our next monster truck. Oh, look at this. This is Hot Wheels Demo Derby? Kids, we have a Hot Wheels Demo Derby at home, but it's different, kids. It doesn't have disc tires. It only has like a red on it. It doesn't have like these yellow rims on it. It does not have a crush core on it. I'm surprised. I already had Demo Derby, so now we have 2 Demo Derbies. I don't believe this. Whoops, sorry car. All right, kids, let's keep going for our new adventure. I don't believe I have to reverse using my hands. It's hard work. This is so slow. Oh, we only have 30 seconds of our bonus left, kids. We gotta hurry and find the next monster truck. Go on this Cobra. 1, 3, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh no! Now our bonus is gone! Oh no, how are we gonna get back? Oh no, why is it not moving? Beep, beep, beep. Beep, 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 beep. Alright kids, we're gonna go back in our truck now. Alright, let's go. Kids, let's climb up this thing real quick. I'm gonna do this. Okay, so look, this is sideways. Look, you have to climb sideways. Wow, this is kind of hard. Look, I have to start from above. That's something there. I have to get my RC truck. Kids, we kept it. Let's see what we got. Ouch. 3, 2, 1. We got twin mill. Glow in the dark. Kids, that Demo Derby wasn't glow in the dark because it did not have weird colors. Demo Derby only comes in one color that does not glow in the dark. These guys, you don't really see them a lot, and they glow in the dark. I don't know if you kids ever seen twin mill. I saw twin mill before, a couple times. You don't see twin mill as much. But I saw it like 5 or 6 times. Glow through the dark, 2 glow through the dark, and 1 normal. This Demo Derby cannot glow in the dark. Look, because it's in the normal color. Hotweiler and twin mill are ones that could glow in the dark. Because you see glow in the dark. Glow in the dark. Alright guys, let's look for our next truck. Ooh, can I open this? Not yet. Only until we find all of them. There's one double pack, kids. Somebody's playing on swings over there. Let's see if he's the double pack. Here we go. Hello? Did you see a double pack that we're looking for? Yes, I did. Go over to the swings and you'll find it. All right, kids, let's go to the swings. Now we're washing off the dirt, kids. Donuts! So weird. Look, kids, all the dirt is all cleaned off. Whoa, big air. Kids, look, there's our double pack. Let's get there. Well, how are we gonna reach it? Let's try and do a wheelie. It's not working. Let me help you. You don't have to continue that wheelie. Donuts. Donuts. That's the trick, kids. You put your monster truck on the swing, then hit trigger, and then bam, it falls down. Here we go. We have Star Wars. All right, let's push it on swing, kids, for a little bit. Whee! All right, let's go. Open the trucks as soon as we get past this lava spray. I meant lava spray. All right, kids, let's open up our new trucks. What do you think we should open? Maybe the glow in the dark trucks. First up, we have HOTWEILER, the first truck we found. Huh, kids, maybe we could open up first, second, third, and fourth that we found. It's easy to open somehow. HOTWEILER, here it is. Here's the thing, and look, it's on some dirt. Awesome. So it got purple body, white chassis, black suspension, orange tires, white rims. This comes with no crush car, kids, but this one comes with a crush car. Demo Derby with a crush car. All right, let's open it. Kids, somehow this is too easy too, but more easier. Kids, is this awesome? Look at it. It's so high and dried up. Feels like paint, kids, like wet paint, but no paint. See that? Look at that. I like its tire and their tire. And look at this yellow. I like it. Man, I like this Demo Derby more than the older Demo Derby. It has yellow suspension, blue chassis, like our old Demo Derby. It even has the same body as our old Demo Derby. But our tires is not the same, so it got red Hot Wheels and the little faces that are destroyed. See that? On all of the tires. Man, this is crazy. Like I don't know what colors to put. Like there's so much colors on this body. I don't know how to tell you. And here's the crush car, you guys. It looks like an ATV or something. I don't know. But it looks like an off-road vehicle. But look at it. It is broken. So the body is yellow. It got yellow rims and tires. Next up we have twin mill. Let's get this open. Got a little water drop on it. Glow in the dark. That was too easy. Look at this. Look at this, kids. Is this awesome? And look at this. Polka dots. Polka dots. Look at this, kids. My first time seeing a twin mill monster truck. Look. White engines. This could glow in the dark, kids. I like Demo Derby and twin mill, but this twin mill glows in the dark, so I like this better than the Demo Derby. It has white chassis, black suspension, and pink tires, yellow gold ribs, maybe gold ribs, green, pink polka dots body, which is green and pink. This is our double pack. It has 2 monster trucks in it, that means. Alright, it's Darth Vader and Stormtrooper. Look, Darth Vader and Dark Guy. Let's open it. Oh, it's slippery. Let's open from the back. Somehow that just popped out. And there's the 2 trucks. Here is Darth Vader. So it has a black a black body, red chassis, a black and red rim, and black tire. Now we have Stormtrooper. Look at this. It's a little spoiler and booster. Alright, so it has white body, black chassis, silver suspension, and white ribs and black tires. Cool. So kids, who's your favorite? So we're going to do a challenge. Oh wait, look, there's an ant on Twin Mill. My favorite is Twin Mill. So we're going to see who takes less tries to get up the slide. Who takes less tries? 3, 2, 1, go. You got Twin Mill? That was one try. Nobody cannot beat one. Next time we have Della Derby. That's one. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. He even landed it. Awesome. Next time we have Stormtrooper. That's 1. We have Darth Vader. That's 1. And we have HOTWEILER. That's 1. That's 2. I'll tell you who got first, second, third, and fourth, and fifth. First, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Our next challenge is who goes the farthest. Twin Mill's our winner, so he is going to go down. 3, 2, 1.
Go!
That's how far he went. Next up, Stormtrooper. He went so far. He did beat Twin Mill. And we have Darth Vader. That's the shortest I ever seen. We have HOTWEILER, kids. Here we go. He passed Twin Mill, but not Stormtrooper. That's how we have Della Derby. That's a big temple, and he did not win. Man, Della Derby loses everything, kids. Della Derby loses everything, you know? He loses in real life, maybe. I don't know. I'm not sure, but he keeps losing in this. Follow me, kids. Let's go home.